Hello students, welcome to Sources classes. My name is Ashmita and in today's class we are going to solve one question on diagnostic test. Now what is this test all about? Here you are going to get certain questions in English. Now this section is very much common in the English portion and these kind of questions are also given in the reasoning section. So you must be acquainted with new words, their synonyms, their antonyms, and all about how to use these. So let us go through these questions one by one through our videos. Now in this video we are going to solve question number 9 and let us see what advice is given to us in order to solve this question. Now in each of the following questions a related pair of words or phrases is followed by 5-lettered pairs of words or phrases. Now here we have to select the lettered pair that best expresses a relationship which is similar to that expressed in the original pair. Now here original pair means sedan and automobile. That's the original pair. Now we will have to relate all these options with the original pair to check the best suitability option. Like we have to choose one option which best suits the original pair. Now let us start with option A, hangar and airplane. Hangar means a large building with an extensive floor area which is typically used for housing aircraft. Now this means that hangar is a place for keeping air vehicles like that of aeroplanes or helicopters. We keep those in the hangar. And an airplane or aeroplane is something which flies in the sky. We all know that. So no, this won't go because sedan and automobile. Here actually sedan means a car and automobile also means a car or vehicle. Automobile means vehicle and sedan means a car. So hangar is a place for sheltering airplanes. So this is absolutely not going with sedan and automobile. So let us move over to option B. Now option B says bedspread and bed. Now bedspread and bed here has almost a similar meaning. That is there is this bed and there is this blanket on the bed which is used for ornamental purpose or for decorating the bed, and we see these kind of bedspreads in hotels mostly. If we go out for visiting somewhere, if we stay in hotels, we will find out that these bedspreads are very common in hotel beds. So this won't go with a sedan and automobile because once again this is also not suiting it, because basically sedan and automobile is relating or referring to the same thing only, that is it's a car. So bedspread and bed is not relating to the same thing, it's both are different. Now let us move over to option number C. Option number C says rocker and chair. Now, rocker means a chair that keeps on moving. Like we have seen these kind of chairs in old homes, like in where old people mostly stay, where they keep on swinging about in that rocker chair. And if we have also seen this rocker chair where there are babies who love sitting and keep on rocking on the chair. So that's a kind of chair. And the other word with rocker is chair, so thing on which we sit. So basically rocker and chair are the same things. This can go with sedan and automobile, but still we have to check the other two options also. Let us check option number D, that is rung and ladder. Now rung means the horizontal steps on the ladder. Now whenever we see a ladder, there are certain steps on which we climb and then go to the top. So those steps are actually called rung. And ladder is a portable staircase, you can say, and we all have seen ladder, so there's nothing new about it. So no, this is not going with sedan and automobile because once again both the things are different, though they may belong to the same thing, but both the things are different. Okay, let us move over to option E, that is marble statue. So marble means a rock, a metamorphic rock, we all know, and it is mainly used for flooring. Statue means a carved or a cast figure of a person or animal, especially one that is life size or larger. So this also won't go because this also isn't having a similar relation with sedan and automobile. So the best option would be rocker and chair, that is number C. Number C would be the correct answer. That was the question for today. And if you want to solve similar questions for your examinations to prepare yourself, then do join Sarvas's classes. In our class, we provide live class, recorded classes, then scholarship facilities, crash courses, doubt clearing classes, and also the 24/7 portal access to the enrolled candidates. So do check the description box below to get the contact numbers. Do contact us and do get yourselves enrolled with us so that you can get all the benefits that our institution is providing. And moreover, here we teach for all kinds of entrance examinations and all kinds of competitive examinations. So you can join our classes for any kind of preparation for any kind of competitive examinations or any kind of college or university entrance examinations. So that was all for today. We are going to meet once again with diagnostic test question solving sessions in other classes.